Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm De Agustin with student number 226121150 from Language Learning Assessment Class 4E. Here I will describe some of the material that has been learned during these few meetings, covering first, evaluation, 2. Bloom taxonomy, 3. Type testing, 4. Rule in contrasting text item, 5. Test and item validity. First material is evaluation. Evaluation is the process of assessing or measure an object, program, activity, or situation to evaluate its performance, effectiveness, or value. Evaluation aims to measure the level of success in a program, assess the efficiency and effectiveness of method, media, and other research. In Zainal Arifin Learning Evaluation Book, the learning evaluation development procedure consists of first, planning evaluation is defined as the beginning step, include defining the purpose of the evaluation, determining evaluation method, determining evaluation criteria, and develop of evaluation instrument. 2. Evaluation implementation. Evaluation implementation is the process of appealing and carrying out an assessment of evaluation in the particular context, include first, data collection and data analysis. 3. Score processing and interpretation. Score processing and interpretation is the process of analysis numerical data generated from an evaluation or test to gain a deeper understanding of the performance or outcome being measured, include statistical analysis. 2. Interpretation. The result of the analysis are interpreted to draw conclusions about the performance outcomes being measured. 4. Reporting and feedback. Reporting and feedback are two important aspects of the evaluation process that have communication finding, result, and recommendation is relevant, include a reporter preparation, information delivery, and feedback. And the last, analyzing of evaluation results. Analyzing of evaluation results refers to the process of use the information gained from the evaluation to inform discussion making, planning, and further action. Include first, implementation of change, using evaluation finding to make change or improvement in the program, activity, or situation being evaluated. 2. Discussion making. Use evaluation results as basis for future strategies discussion making. And the next material, Bloom taxonomy. Bloom taxonomy as framework use the classific learning object and the cognitive process of student in achieve those objects. Bloom taxonomy consists of 6 sequential cognitive levels, which define it interestingly complex level of thinking. Here are the 6 cognitive levels in Bloom taxonomy ranging from level to high level. First, knowledge. Understanding and recalling information that has been learned, such as fact, concept, or principle. 2. Comprehension. Interpreting information is one word. 3. Application. Using the understanding knowledge to solve a new problem or situation by applying the concept of principle to a different context. 4. Analysis. Analyzing information by breaking it down into smaller parts, in finding relationship between parts or drawing conclusion from exciting data. 5. Evaluation. Assessing of evaluation information, argument or solution based on relevant criteria, established standard. And the last 6, synthesis, integrating information from multiple sources to create something new such as original idea, product or situation. And the third material is type testing. Type testing based on the form of student response that are divided into 3 types. First, written test. Written tests refer to assessment or exam where individuals are asked to provide answers in written format. Written tests are commonly used in educational settings or to evaluate a person's knowledge, understanding, and ability to communicate. Some types of writing tests include first, essay, writing long answers to explain concepts or thoughts. 2. Multiple choice question, choosing the correct answer from the option provided. 3. Short question, answering with a short sentence or paragraph. 4. Report writing, presenting the information in a right report format. 2. Oral test. Oral test is an evaluation method in which participants are tested orally to measure the communication skill and understanding of a particular topic or subject. 3. Performa test. A performa test is a type of assessment that requires students to perform specific tasks or activity as evidence or competence in a subject area or subject matter, not only evaluating theoretical knowledge and practical application. Example of performance test: first, project presentation; 2. Simulation; 3. Art or music performance; 4. Creating, writing or essay; 5. Portfolio. And the fourth material is rule in constructing test item. Item writing rules are a set of rules or guidelines used to design and write question or item the various contexts such as exam, test, quizzes, or another learning activity. Rules must pay attention to three things, namely, first, material. Material in the context of question refers to the subject that is the focus of the question or question design. Some aspects to consider in the use of material in question writing rules include: first, question should match in the indicator. That means that questions should be designed to test a specific understanding or skill that corresponds to the indicator of learning object that have been set. 2. Answer options should be homogeneous and logical. In addition, answer choice should be logical, which means they should be make sense and be relevant to the question being asked. 3. Every question must have one correct answer. The rules emphasize that each question must have one and only one correct answer. 2. Construction. It includes the steps taken to design, organize, and select of type of questions that are appropriate for the purpose of the test or evaluation. There are several rules to consider. First, create and function, image, graph, table, diagram, and the like. They should provide the information that to answer the question and should not confuse the principle. 2. Clear and concise core of the question. The core of the question should be formulated in the clear and univocal manner so that the participant can clearly understand what is being asked to the question. 3. The subject matter of the question should not contain double negative statement. And 4. Answer choice that not contain the statement all answers above are incorrect or all answer choice above are correct. And the last, language. In the context of question writing rules, language refers to the use of word, phrases, and sentence structure in formulating question or question instruction. Language in the writing rules that need to be considered. First, each question must be formulated in accordance with the rules of Bahasa Indonesia. 2. Do not use local language. 3. Question and answer choice should be formulated clearly and ambiguous. And the last material is test and item validity. Test and item validity is a concept in test evaluation that refers to how well a test or test item can measure what is the intended to measure. Here validity is defined into two. First, test validity. Test validity refers to the extent to which the test will measure what in the intend to measure. In other words, test validity in test how well the test can measure the construct characteristic it the intended to measure. And number 2, item validity. Item validity focus on more each individual item in the test. Item validity assess the extent to which a test item measure its intended construct. Okay guys, that's the material I can convey. Hope is useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.